In this video we look at generator expressions, a way to produce values one by one, saving memory and keeping your code clean. A generator expression looks almost identical to a list comprehension, but it uses round brackets. Instead of building every item up front, it hands you one item at a time and forgets the rest. Here is our example. We want to add up the squares of every number from 0 to 999. Let's trace through each part. The part inside sum n times n for n, in range of 1000, is the generator expression. It is not a list. It is a recipe that yields one squared number at a time. When sum starts, it asks the generator for the first value. The generator sets n to 0, computes 0 times 0 equals 0, and hands that single number to sum. Then it pauses. Sum asks again. The generator wakes up, sets n to 1, computes 1 times 1 equals 1, and hands that over. This repeats all the way to 999, only ever one number alive at a time. Running the program prints 332,833,500. Python never held 1000 squares in memory, only the running total. A list comprehension builds every item and stores them all. A generator expression builds nothing upfront, but the trade-off is you can only walk through it once. Use a generator expression whenever you want the elegance of a comprehension without the memory cost of a full list. Just remember, once it runs out, it is gone.